Okay, we're going to talk about EdPuzzle today and how to use and navigate EdPuzzle. So you all should have gotten an email from me about how to get the free pro version. So you'll need to just click on that link to authorize your account on a pro version. If you've not signed up yet, you'll need to go to sign up and just use your Pinewood Google account to do so. If you've already signed up, you can click login and make sure you say I am a teacher instead of I am a student, and then put in your, oh, you should probably use the sign in with Google because our Pinewood address is a Google address, and all set. So this is what your page should look like. You won't have the same home content as I do. If you go over here to look at your login, you should see Pro School, and you should see Pinewood School Middle Campus below here. If it doesn't say that, go back to the email and click through that link so that you can figure that out. And then we're going to show you how to create and curate content on EdPuzzle. So really what EdPuzzle is an application that takes any video, whether it's something you pulled off the internet, off of YouTube, Khan Academy, whatever it might be, or something that you've created and uploaded, and it allows you to add content to it. So you'll see if I go to my content, there's a few videos in here that I've either taken or created myself. So you'll see the little 20 means it contains 20 questions or notes throughout the video. So just to show you how that works, a few ways you can use this is you can look through their curated curriculum and you can just go through a subject area. Let's see, econ and economics, and let's look at fiscal policy, appropriate right now. Anyway, and you'll see that they've already curated items under topics. So these are already made by other, so here's one on GDP that has 23 questions in it. So instead of making your own content, you can just go look for your own content. Then under here, there's popular channels. So the EdPuzzle channel means these are videos from anywhere that people have already curated on EdPuzzle. So maybe you're looking for a video on butterflies. And there you go. You've got some video on butterflies that have some embedded content. So here's a monarch butterfly video with 5 questions in it from National Geographic. So it just gives you an idea of how you search. Now if you click on YouTube, YouTube's going to show you anything in the YouTube world that you want to find. But none of these are curated yet, right? So basically right here is you're just looking through YouTube videos. So you're still searching YouTube for butterflies, but these would be videos that you want to add all of your own content to. So there's nothing that's been done with these yet. And then you also have Khan Academy. Oh, nothing on butterflies in Khan Academy. I'm still searching on butterflies, but here's a bunch of Khan Academy videos. National Geographic, TED Talks. I have no idea what Veritasium is, but looks like it's science oriented. Number files, obviously math, crash course. It's kind of a fun website as well. So you could take any of this content you'd like and you can bring it over into your content. So maybe you want to do the crash course video on foreign policy. So this is what the video looks like. And if you'd like to edit it, you can click on edit and then add your own content. But you'll also see down here, there are 277 different versions that other people have edited. And Adam Zamuda, well, we have an Ashley and a Paul, so wonder if they're related. Anyway, so if you don't want to start from scratch, you can grab one of these that already has 10 questions in it. And then if you wanted to edit this, then you would click on edit. And then what you would do is you would play the video and add questions or voiceovers wherever you'd like in the video. So you can drag a little cursor,
which we should.
Maybe to
Also, foreign policy.
Right. Let's see.
All government policy, foreign
Maybe.
policy has goals. Of course.
right here. You want to ask about what the goal is of foreign policy. So you could go to questions, and it will be adding a question. Maybe you want a multiple choice, and you could say, what is the goal of foreign policy? And then your response is here and your correct answer. I'm not going to go through all of this, but you can play with this on your own. But this is how you would curate your specific content.
Is about providing security,
so
but American foreign.
Let's go back. That should now be in, would it be in my content? It is. So now it's in my content because I've already started working with it. Up here in add content, you can upload your own videos if you'd like, or create one, just another way to get to the same place. So uploading a video, you could take something you've done a screen capture of, maybe it's your actual lesson and you want to add questions to your lesson, so you can use the upload video item here. I would probably recommend you actually post it on YouTube and then drop the link over, because I feel like a lot of these systems are going to get crushed right now with all the schools being out. YouTube is less likely to get crushed from that demand, so you're probably better off uploading to YouTube since they're used to it, and then bringing the content over. But that's just my 2 cents. Then you have classes. So you'll see I actually have a Schoology class already over here. So you can create classes right in here. So if you wanted to create a class, you can go add new class. If you're using Google Classroom, you can add your Google Classroom class here. If you're not using an LMS and you want to create a class in here, you can create a class and just name it. And then you can bring that over to your students. But if you add this as a plugin into either Schoology or Google Classroom, it will import your classes over, which is the easiest way to do this. So the beauty of this is that you can create curated content for your students. And I just want to show you one more thing as to why this is so awesome for a remote learning environment, is that if we go to my content, and let's say we are assigning this solar system video. So you'll see in this solar system video, we've got all of these questions. So if I want to assign it to my class, and this works when it's embedded inside your Schoology app as well. So if you wanted to assign this, you can do this prevent skipping item, which is really great because your students have to answer the questions and they cannot skip ahead in order to do so. So that means they are forced to watch the entire video. So this is really, really great if you are curating a lesson, maybe you're narrating some content on your own, and you really want to force your students not to be able to skip ahead. Using EdPuzzle would be an awesome tool for that, even if you aren't adding any content, but adding content would be really great as well. So I'm going to make another video on this, and I am going to show you in that video how to use this inside of Schoology once you've created your content on this site. So that's it for EdPuzzle. Thank you for watching. Please reach out to me if you have any questions. Thanks.